Apple's price tags are about to get worse if they keep manufacturing phones in China, according to some Trump threats. We get a new report that tells us what to expect for 4 Galaxy S10s instead of 3, and we get some patents along with a concept design for LG's upcoming foldable phone. I'm Jaime Rivera, and if you see my face in the need of a nap, that's because I do, and it's barely Tuesday. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by Swappa. The official news today actually don't begin with deals because I'm sure that there are already people hurt after Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So let's talk about research as we've got some global numbers for Q3 as to which is the best selling company right now when it comes to smartphones. Samsung continues being first with 19%, but it's on decline. We've got Huawei on a rise at 14%. Apple follows with 12%. And guess which company is surprising everybody with the amount of sales they've got right now? Nokia, 73% growth in Q3. That's insane. Now let's talk about Google's Project Fi. Probably by the time you watch this video, things have changed, but there was a post in certain publications that was later pulled mentioning that Project Fi is now going to support more products like OnePlus devices, iPhones, and others. There's a full list, so it's only a matter of time. I find that to be great as, don't get me wrong, I like that it's a Pixel thing, but the more products supported, the better. Now let's talk about LG and its foldable phone, tablet, whatever it's going to be. There are some patents and also some concept designs that are based on these patents. And you know what? I actually like what I see. We've got a single display that folds instead of 3 screens that become one. Obviously, there is some functionality where you use the tablet primarily, but then you can also have a keyboard and and then the screen on the phone is actually not so bad if you compare it to what we saw from Samsung. Let's just see what we get. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10s, as there are some trusted sources that are claiming that we're not getting 3, we're getting 4 phones. 3 of them probably at the same time at CES, and then there is a 4th model, and then this 4th model is the one that's going to be no holds bar, 5G, in addition to all the bells and whistles that we've been hearing in teasers, 4 cameras, etc., etc. We don't know exactly how many cameras we're getting on the other ones, but stay tuned. And finally, the interesting and disappointing news today have to do with the President of the United States, Donald Trump, and tariffs for China. Because according to Trump, people in the United States will have no problem in paying 10% more for their iPhones, because the whole deal is that they want to implement tariffs. Apparently they're going to start at 10% as of January, according to what he said, and they could go up as high as 25%. So yeah, imagine Apple's iPhones are currently $1,000. Imagine them being 10% to 25% more expensive, and I understand the purpose. They want iPhones to be manufactured in the States, and for that price tag, I don't know why they're not. Thing about it is, what do you think? Let us know in the comments. I mean, do you think that this is a good way to, boost innovation? Because I find that, it's just it's such a complicated topic to grasp. I mean, worst of all, I don't know if I should take it seriously or not. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you think. And friends, before we end this video, we would love to thank our sponsor, Swappa, for making our content possible today. Swappa is not just about phones. If you also want to buy games for your PS4, Xbox, or any console, you can get up to 75% off retail prices. Follow the link in the description below to learn more about not just games, there's so much more. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.